I forgot that I have this. Guys, welcome back to the channel. See, just ignore that I look like this, so ignore it please, because this year I don't plan to look like this on camera again. But I am so excited because I want to show you my room. I just rearranged it and I am so happy. See, I have been so unmotivated. I don't want to do anything. I've deleted like 3 videos since this year, and today is just 11th of January. I've deleted 3 videos because I was not feeling my vibes in those videos. I was super calm, dull, the words were not coming out well. I was so unmotivated, so unproductive. And today I woke up this morning. First of all, yesterday I posted on my Instagram story telling everybody that, oh, I am so unproductive. If you have any tip for me to be productive, let me know in the comment section please, guys, or DM me. I want to know. I am so just tell me anything that helps you be productive. And almost everybody, like 5, 6, 10 people, 10 persons have sent me a DM like, Thelma, you don't even understand, I am so unmotivated and unproductive. I said, don't let me feel this feeling of low energy, unproductiveness. I don't even know what to say it, but it's not only me. And some people were telling me, if you find a cure to this on productiveness, this low motivation, let us know please. Thelma, please let us know if you find a cure. And I went to bed yesterday. I was like, Thelma, this was not how I was last year. I was so productive. I was filming video back to back, uploading 3 times a week, hardly missing, a day of uploading. But December I was doing vlogmas, but I made a mistake to go and check my YouTube and watch hour, and I saw that YouTube reduced it so much. I was so angry, and I was like, so all this work I just did do sooner for what? They reduced it. In fact, they removed half of my watch hours. I was like, this is so bad. I was so angry, so stressed. So that was what pushed me to lose motivation. In fact, that was what drove me into unproductiveness. That was just it. I got angry at myself for even checking my YouTube studio. If not, I would have just gone the whole month filming video, doing vlogmas. But I went to check. I was so angry. I was sad. I was like, all this work I did. It's not like I don't like filming video. I like filming it, but at least you see people getting monetized. I've been on YouTube for 3 years and I am still not monetized. So even if you get coconut head safe, it will still paying you one kind. You will still feel a certain way. So yeah, now so my unproductiveness started. Yesterday, people were saying, oh, Thelma, I cannot even pick up my camera, I cannot do this, I cannot say, so it's not only me. So I need to find and struggle out of this thing because it's a new year. We cannot start off the year being like this, not doing anything. So I woke up this morning, I decided to rearrange my room, and I am so happy about it. My chair broke. I've not fixed it. We called somebody. The person will come to the house tomorrow to fix the chair. And also, you remember this rubber table that was here? I removed it. I brought in this table that we made for the other room. But since people are always coming in the house, we're always having guests, and I hardly use that room, so I brought the table here, and I'll show you in a bit. Just see the way my room was before. Let me just put the clip of how my room was and after now. It's so cute. See guys, right now my room is so nice. I really like the space. Everywhere is so free. There are lots of things in this room, but it still feels like, Thelma, there's nothing in this room because of the way I arranged it. Like, I'm so happy. My table is here. Oh, I can press my laptop like this. The table is here, and also my sewing machine is here. But that other table, my sewing machine and laptop could not really fit in like this. And also I kept my vanity by the window there, because my vanity was here where I'm sitting now, but it is there right now because whenever I'm filming, like, get ready with me, the lighting here is not that good, so I took the vanity here because my makeup is there. So whenever I'm doing my makeup and doing get ready with me. The lights will be bright. Okay, see now. Is the light not good like this? Even if I'm using ring lights too, it will still be bright. Like, get ready with me like this. The light is so good here. My makeup is here. Let me put you guys here so you see. My makeup is here. Skincare product is here. My jewelries are here. So it will just be clearer. My videos will be clearer, and yeah. What do you think? The setup is so nice, guys. I'm so happy about it. This new setup. So this is just giving me lots of, you know, energy and motivation. Yeah, so I just quickly wanted to say that before this motivation and, you know, spirit go calm down. Make I just stop when I want to talk, not minding how I look. Well, yeah, I need to go and take my bath right now. I'm so excited though. This transformation, in fact, this little move around just made my day, guys. It's really made my day. My phone just being here, me filming video, get ready with me. My videos will be super clean and neat. Yeah. Hello you guys, so it's next morning, and yeah, I'm about to ice roll my face. See, I forgot that I even had this ice roller. It was yesterday. I remember telling me I have the ice roller because, you know, I traveled November, so November till December I did not use it, and January now, this is the second time I'm using it. I forgot I had this ice roller. This is so good. But yeah, it's the next day. I want to get ready so we can go grocery shopping, like better food stuff. I've not gone to the market this year, so yeah, that's what we're about to go and do. Go to the market, buy a lot of food stuff, beef, chicken, and all of that. It's been long I took you guys along with me to the market. This is so good on my face right now. This is what I'm wearing to the market shop. All this highly favored by Nello Keke. And I'm going to wear one of my black jean trousers that it's quite dirty, but I figured since I'm going to the market, whatever I wear to the market is going to get dirty, so I don't wear the dirty trouser. It's not really dirty like it stinks, but I've worn it like a couple of times. I feel like, okay, why not wear it to the market, then when I come back I'll wash it. You get what I mean? Oh my goodness, I talk too much. Oh, that's it. I collected these tiny bottles from my friend, and I just soaked them so I can remove the labels on them. It's not label, I call labels now. Labels on them. 3. I told her to, you know, bring more for me. When I go to her house, I'll try and see if she has more. See, I want to put my ginger shot. Like, I feel like these bottles are so cute. Like, see how cute they are. The perfect size for ginger shots. The one I have is so big. I have to drink it like 2 times before I finish it. I was really searching for tiny bottles like this. I could not find them, and when I saw it, these are alcoholic, I want to say these are whiskey bottles, tiny whiskey shots. I wanted to say this is an alcoholic drink, but this is whiskey shots. But I'm going to wash it and remove the labels from it. I soaked them for about 5 minutes now. See how easy it's coming out. The labels, see, even if you can see, but it's coming out very easily because I soaked it. I was trying to remove it like that, but it was not coming off, so I just soaked it in a bowl of water. So yeah, I'm just going to ice roll my face, apply sunscreen, go to the market, come back. Guys, I just made this iced coffee. The weirdest way, and it's instant coffee. It's this coffee my friend gave me. Linda gave me the coffee pack, so I was like, let me try it, because when I was in Delta I was using this instant coffee. I really did not have the strength to go and boil water to make the instant coffee, so I just poured it into the cup that was close to me and had cold water, and it was really good. So I was like, okay, maybe if I make it like, you know, and add milk and ice, it will taste good. So I'm about to taste it now. The first iced coffee I've ever made was terrible. It was so bad that I was so angry that I wasted the coffee, the milk, and the creamer. So this one, I pray I'm not wasting it too, because I added a lot of ice. It's so cold. It might not taste nice. Okay, it's not bad. Seriously, it's not really bad. It's nice. It's not really that sweet. I mean, it's just one pack of instant coffee. It's nice. I'm like, I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10. Yeah, 7.5 out of 10. Would I make this again? Definitely. Guys, I'm back home and I'm thinking right now, Chama, are you sure you like going to the market? Because the stress today was a lot. I'm not sure I like going to the market again, but yeah, I'm just going to wash the meat I bought, wash the meat and try to fix everything. I am so tired, but I have to fix these things, because if I don't fix it, it's still going to be there waiting for me again. So let's fix it. Yeah. So about chicken, I'm going to wash them, and beef, I still have more beef here to watch. Vegetables, lots of vegetables. I bought okra, avocado. I had change, so I bought 2 sherry, ginger and garlic, onions and bunch of spice, and also hibiscus. I want to make zobo drink, so I bought hibiscus flour, got thyme, curry powder, chicken seasoning, this shallots, I don't know, dried one, Maggi. I bought sachet nutmeg, and also what did I get again? The last thing I got was yam, plantain, and in here it's potatoes, those ones. So yeah, that's everything I bought. So I have like this mixed spice, and I really like this one, but I did not see this one that I normally get, so I decided to just try this one. I've not tried this one before. I thought I have to just give him like 2 to try if I'll like it. If I don't like it, I'll not buy it again. This is the one I normally use. So like mixed spice, there is clove, nutmeg, turmeric, black pepper, cinnamon, coriander. What's in this one? It's the same thing as this one, everything, but I'll try to see if I like it. This is where I normally arrange them in. I have lots of spice. I don't know, I'll look for a more, you know, organized place. This thing broke. I really like this thing, but it broke, so I'm thinking of changing it. If I see the one I like, I'll buy and change, but this one is broken. I need to change it. And also here I still have like, you know, spice here, rosemary, egusi soup, ogbono soup, vegetable soup. I don't like to make a lot, as you all know, because I've said that 1,000 times. Vegetable soup, ogbono soup. What else did I make again? owo soup. Yes, that was the last soup I made, and I also made stew. I'm not cooking any soup for the whole of 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I don't know. But yeah, I'm done cooking. I'm just jumping in here to tell you guys thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoy it. I took my bath. I'm about to go to bed because I am so tired, like really exhausted. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Do not forget to like this video, leave a comment down in the comment section, subscribe, you know, like this video and all of that. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.